How to fix Cash App won't let me receive money. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me receive money. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are various options you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this section named Limits. Make sure you tap on it. On this page, you will find your Cash App limits in terms of the amount you can send and receive every month. Sometimes those amounts can be limited, just like you can see mine here. This is the maximum I can receive monthly. So what you have to do is to check if you have verified your identity on the app. Then go ahead and verify it if you have not done so yet. Next, come to this section here and tap this option named Linked Banks. You will be taken to this page where you will see the credit and debit cards that have been linked to your account. Make sure they are working and not expired. If you have done all that and nothing works, then we'll show you a final solution. Come back to the profile and navigate to the bottom of the screen. At the bottom, make sure you tap this option named Support. The page will then start loading. Make sure you wait for it. Under How Can We Help, we have all these different categories. Form them, tap this one named Payments. You will then land on this other page that has options related to the Payments feature. From them, tap this one named Receiving Payments. You will then land on this page that has more options related to the Receiving Payments option. Once more, tap here, Receiving Payments. You will be taken to this page where Cash App is trying to guide you on how you can solve this issue. So go to the bottom of the page and tap this option named Chat. Wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, this is the feedback of Cash App. In this box, you have to type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like you can see here. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. That is, how to fix Cash App won't let me receive money.